Can you believe drinking demineralized RO water may cause health deficiency? Because demineralized reverse osmosis removes 90 to 99.9% of impurities, including minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper, zinc, sodium, and phosphorus from drinking water. Then what to drink? The best alternative solution is alkaline water. Hydrogen enriched is Hydrich. Our alkaline water contains calcium magnesium minerals, antioxidant property, also slightly alkaline. Our water has 8 to 8.5 pH level of alkaline. Also contains dissolved hydrogen of 1500 ppb. Our machines using platinum and titanium plates to enhance the water property into alkaline and hydrogen rich. Our machines are using zero wastage technology. We are using organic minerals instead of chemicals. Hari Vaisaya, Hydrich CEO. Our primary vision is reduce carbon footprint, reduce water footprint. To contact
the label and all, the water is available here. I just brought it for testing, and here we filled the water from that our machine, which is alkaline and hydrogen machine. So just I am going to show you. When we see in the naked eye, both are same. If you taste, both are same. But only pH liquid will show us. So I am going to, this is the pH indicator. It will tell whether the substance is acidic, neutral or alkaline. So by seeing naturally, we can't identify it. But here, this one. So this color is showing us, it's a blue, so this is it's alkaline. 8 to 8.5 is the alkaline here, pH. Here it is 6.5 to 7. So it is a yellowish green. It is started to green, but it is not yellow completely, but it's not red. It means it's acidic form, it's not in the alkaline form. If it's a complete green, it is an alkaline. So now, in this water, I am going to add our water, which contains the magnesium and calcium and hydrogen. You can see this water is going to donate the minerals here and change it. So if the water contains the properties what I talked to you, the minerals and the hydrogen, it will happen like this. So the same way in our body system also we can get this. So this is the way we are just giving the knowledge transfer mainly nowadays to the students.
So what are the students?